Dobar dan svima, evo javljamo se iz Agritehnike u Hanoveru u kojoj smo danas sa DJI-em ovdje da predstavimo najnovije modele. Sa mnom je kolega Leon iz DJI-a i sad ću se prebaciti na engleski i postavit ću vam par pitanja. Hi Leon.
Hi.
Nice to see you here.
Nice to meet you.
Can you tell us something about the new models and basically about the T100?
Yeah, sure. So this time we brought the three new products in Agritechnica, T100 and T70P and T25P. So this is so far the biggest drone in the whole world, the T100. And the capacity is 100 liter of spraying tank and 150 liter of spraying tank. And also it a new function, the lifting system. It can lift up 80 kilogram of goods. Okay.
Great, thanks for that. What would you say, who is it meant for? Pitam Leona, dakle, za koga on misli da je zapravo namijenjen ovaj dron?
We believe this new big machine is for big farmers and also for orchard farmers, because the orchard field, they always need a good penetration, and this T100 can provide a high flow rate to penetrate the leaves of the tree.
Perfect. Evo, odlično, čuli ste sve, zapravo, dakle, veliki dron za velike poslove koji je namijenjen zapravo velikim gospodarstvenicima, odnosno poljoprivrednicima koji će na kraju upotrebljavati ga za veliku penetraciju koja im je potrebna, dakle, da mogu veliku količinu tekućine ispustiti u jednoj maloj jedinici vremena. Ima još jedna zapravo velika stvar koju bismo htjeli ovdje napomenuti i reći, a to ona je vezana za sigurnost. Leon, can you tell us a bit more about the safety?
Okay. So as for the safety system, T100 is improved incredibly. First of all, we have a millimeter wave system, and also a new LiDAR system here. New LiDAR system, and we have, you can see there are a lot of visions. It's like we call it a pentavision system. So this whole safety system can provide a 360 degree of detection of the surroundings of the drone. So it can provide the users a more safely flight.
Thank you for that, hvala ti Leon. One more thing that we can see, odnosno što još možemo vidjeti ovdje, dakle da imamo trenutačno konfiguraciju sa spreaderom za raspršivanje. Can you tell us a bit more about the spreading system and the devices that are shown below?
The spreading system is also like improved a lot. We now provide a different size of the grillers, we call it grillers, and so which means the farmers can use it to spread different kind of things, including the seeds and also the fertilizers. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Leon. Dakle, evo isto tako, samo ću pokazati kratko. Bitno je dakle da na ovim dijelovima možemo, ovo je ključno kod spreadera koji se mijenja u odnosu na stare sustave i prema tome, ovisno o tome što ćete raspršivati, se može dakle mijenjati i sam sustav. Dakle, da bi se što bolje raspršivalo različita granulacija. Evo, hvala, idemo se prebaciti na druge dronove. Evo, odlično. Sada smo se zapravo ispred drugog modela koji isto predstavlja se ovdje na sajmu, a to je dakle DJI AGRAS T70P. Leon, this is also a new drone, T70P. What can you tell us about? Who is it meant for?
Actually, we believe T70P is aimed for service providers, because T70P, including the capacity, efficiency, and the safety system, also improved a lot, but didn't go as far as the T100. So it's a very good deal for service provider who needs a high efficiency for the operations, and the price is also better. Yeah.
Understand. I would say the main differences when we talk about the T100 and T70 are that this is still the same as T20, T50, T25. It's all in one chassis, right? Okay. Čisto da prevedem, dakle ovdje kada gledamo T70, on je prije svega namijenjen tvrtkama koje će se baviti uslužnim djelatnostima, odnosno uslužno tretirati usjeve ili pak dakle raspršivati. Ono što je karakteristično za njega u odnosu na T100 je dakle da se ovaj gornji dio ne može odvajati, znači isto je kao i kod T50 i kao kod T25 i eto ga, on je nekako, opet naravno ima poboljšane elemente sigurnosti, vizije radara i sličnog, kako bi zapravo mogao što više obaviti. Naravno ne treba ni spominjati samih 70 litara spremnika ovog tanka. Ok, thank you for that. We have one model left. Ostaje nam još jedan model T25P. Leon, now we are standing in front of the model T25P. What would you say is the biggest improvements from the last version?
You can see the T25P is smaller, but is more integrated. And we believe this small drone is perfect for small land farmers and also for someone who never tried the drone before. They want to maybe try the new technology, learn the new technology. It's easy to carry, easy to operate, and perfectly easy to operate in some hills or steep areas.
Ok, perfect. Čuli ste, dakle, opet govorimo o dronu koji je, ajmo reći, namijenjen više za osobe koje samostalno misle raditi i za manje farmere. Dakle, ono što su njegove prednosti vidite samo po veličini, doduše spremnik je samo 20 litara, ali za određene operacije to može biti dovoljno, pogotovo kad imamo male parcele i puno premještanja. Dakle, jedna osoba bez problema može s ovim manipulirati. Ostale stvari su manje više slične kao i kod starog modela, tako da nećemo to posebno naglašavati. Interesting times in front of DJI. It's great to be here. Would you like to say something to emphasize, as I would say, the main words or the...
Yeah. Thank you, Igor, very much for your hard work in local market, and we believe in the new technology. Together we can promote it and help local farmers and local business. Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you as well, looking forward to it. Sve što želite znati u vezi ovih dronova, slobodno nam se javite, bilo putem naših društvenih mreža, putem telefona ili maila. A ako želite demonstracije i slično, vrlo uskoro ćemo imati ovaj dron i u Hrvatskoj, pa će biti spreman za pokazivanje, naravno, i sve ostalo što inače radimo za vas. Hvala lijepo, vidimo se uskoro.